Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on general here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, come here to this from your cards, just click on it, and here can you select it in this list here. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.